Here we are at Lucky Supermarket. Hi, Dad. Say hi to the vlog. Uh-oh. Too much snow.
Oo, bag.
Anak kayo umuli. It's a snow day here in Calgary. Let's go get some groceries.
Holy cow.
Oh my gosh.
Huh?
Say hi, Dad. Where are we going?
Going to Lucky Supermarket.
To
Buy some
Lucky Supermarket
food.
to buy some food, but outside is
So
really
white.
bad. So white. It's the third day of snow, and they said we're expecting about 6 centimeters. It's gonna continue until tomorrow. Wait, I'll get a show. So yeah, it's still a snowstorm basically. And pag-iingay siya. Ano maawatan ba? Basta.
Ilocano na ito, ma.
Wala, Ilocano na.
Lupo.
Alangan na.
Kaya makulam si Chef. Nawatam?
Wala. Mapanantay nga road pa ilang.
Alam na iwa.
Ay, pagkuskus.
Pagkuskus kugat na lipatat ni Balayo.
Okay. So let's go again to grandma's house. Paparam.
Yeah.
Paparam.
The grocery.
Katimot yung kagkarawash.
Ag-isnong.
Urayam na to, nagigilap-gilap kita. Gusto nga speeding 60 lang. Na,
Talata.
talata na tuso. Hi. So, Casino pa nag-isisay ko dati. Ita nga banda di airport di jay. Tante Jelaki Supermarket. Ano magatang Jelaki Supermarket? Chinese Supermarket.
Asian.
Magatang Jelaki Supermarket. Asian food. Ang lagay ba Chinese? Sorry. Misinformed. Luis Gabriel, are you okay?
Yes.
Yes. Are you sad? Drama.
Just still happy.
You're still happy even though it's snowing?
Yes.
Yes. About you, Daddy, are you still happy even though it's snowing?
Oh yeah, ma.
Yeah.
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 I wanna go snowboarding
I don't snowboard.
soon.
Just keep.
Can you keep on the? Can you keep? You get my phone back.
Which one? What color?
Blue.
Why would you get your phone?
Get my phone.
Okay. Say bye to the vlog. See you later. Here we are at Lucky Supermarket. Ito na tama na may grocery.
Nakit ka sa ulan magtimakan.
Everyone is hungry. Hungry, hungry. Lucky Supermarket right there.
Back.
No. Yeah, we're back at the vlog. But we have to find parking and then we can go inside. Oh my goodness, Daddy. You don't have 4x4.
I have.
But nagalis. Nagalis na talaga.
Nagalis?
Madi. Kita ay darus-dusam di kita kutsa di tani. Uh-oh. Awan nagdalos di parking lot.
As in, nagalis talaga.
struggle is real. Luwa daw nga makaruwar to dito Hyundai dito abay tayo. Ano ba? Ano ko pinang-pronounce mo? Hyundai? Hyundai? Hyundai?
Whatever. Tukin na lang basta. Udang.
Udang pa ka mo? Udang. 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 Puro frozen. Nana, 799. Nagbabatit mo. As I told you. Advertisement
I love this shrimp.
May isa lang?
May isa lang. Ay, dito. Sila mo na yun ang dami.
May isa pa.
Okay. Yeah.
Wow, saging. This is your options. Frozen saging. I want condensed. What we got so far? Tinapa, chicken, clams, shrimp, Canada dry. Ano di dyan nga minan? Dumadara? Chicken wings, luncheon meat, and sit. Samyang laki ni, samyang. Ilocano, kabatiti. What do they have? Di baby boksoy, mga laka. Baby boksoy, gano'n eh. Kaya ito, ito na dyan bababatid. Ito ni. Lang may mete na bababatid. Okay. Ano?
Kung inahan mo patatas ni Gold player. Prepare to buy the smallest one.
Apo.
Nasit-sit eh. Ilaman na.
Asla underdeveloped. Daddy, what are we having?
I have what's this?
Roasted pita. Yummy.
Small
Taste
fry.
test? Taste test.
It's good.
Okay, let's eat. I'm done with the
Peking duck.
Peking duck. No, that's not Peking duck. Roasted duck lang.
So roasted duck.
Damage is done. Wanna see?
That's so delicious.
Another. Kunam.
May iba sa pulutan.
Pulutan. I like the lighting. Nakakaputi. Just got home from Lucky Supermarket. So, if you guys want to see the things we got from Lucky Supermarket, please give us a comment. And don't forget to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye!